Okay, so that's been about 5 minutes. Give it a chance, no air bubbles. Screw the shock cap back on. Hopefully nice and tight, so it doesn't do it again. Yeah, it's tight. Reassemble, put it back in. Touch, alright. Let's put it back on. Quick job. There we go.
Pretty girl. Really pretty mommy.
It goes.
Yes, I took a picture. Shall I do it?
Don't really need a power drill for this. There we go. There we go. It's all right. Hold. Snug it up. On the bottom of there you see GPM chassis price. It's taking some stick. Bumper's fine. A little bit of orange, and then what I did internally, stuck on 3 extra fans. Keep it cool, does get warm. There you go.